My name is Cheyenne Polius, and I'm currently the National Point of Contact in the Space Generation Advisory Council. The Space Generation Advisory Council is a global organization. They're partnered with the United Nations, and their main aim is to give the future leaders of the space sector a voice in space policy. So the council is for university students and young professionals who are between 18 and 35 years old, and it gives us a chance to voice our opinions when it comes to discussions about space policy and issues with space policy and space exploration. Right now, space exploration and space policy is not really on the priority list for St. Lucia. I'm the first national point of contact, so I want to start building the foundation, building a network of students, help inspire them to pursue careers in the space sector or just in STEM fields in general, any science and technology field. My main motivation right now is to inspire our youth to think outside of the box when they're thinking of careers. There's so many opportunities available internationally. Even a lot of people think, why space? Why astronomy? Why did I decide to get into it? And I decided to get into it through my own passion, but being a university student and networking with different people, having different mentors, I've realized that there can be lots of benefits to the Caribbean region. One, for example, is using astronomy as a selling point for tourism. St. Lucia and other Caribbean islands are actually very good places for amateur astronomy in terms of our weather, where we're located in the world, what we can see in our night sky. It is very suitable for amateur astronomy, and that's something that nobody's really talking about, nobody's really digging into. Tourism is very important to our island and to our region. So just the fact that astronomy can be used as a selling point is something that could be part of the discussion. If I wasn't a student in the field, I wouldn't have learned that, I wouldn't have known that, which is why I want to inspire young people to think about these careers, think about there's so many things you can do. It's like your options are limitless. Right now, I'm looking for another national point of contact because there are 2 spots in each country for national point of contact. I'm one of them for St. Lucia. If you are between the ages of 18 and 35 years old and you have an interest in space, astronomy, technology, computer science, engineering, please contact me at cheyenne.polius@spacegeneration.org. I can give you some more information about the role if you are interested in applying for it. If maybe you don't want to be national point of contact but you do want to learn more about Space Generation Advisory Council, you can visit the website spacegeneration.org and you can read some more, or you can email me as well and ask me any questions you have. If you know anyone else who would be interested in something like this, spread the word. I'm happy to talk to anyone and answer any questions.